Good afternoon friends, it's Victoria from Victoria Makes. Today I'm going to make pumpkin spice latte. It's a very simple thing to do. It's this time of year, autumnal going into Christmas, a winter warming drink. About £3 for your average takeaway pumpkin spice latte bottles, and they're so simple to recreate at home, so why not? What I'm going to show you is the recipe for one large mug or a latte glass. Just double it up if you want, double that or quadruple it, however many. Just times it by the number of glasses that you want. But this is going to be for one portion. Just go easy on your spice. Basically, if you're making 4 times the amount, I'd only double up the spice. Coffee, however strong you like it. So I've put 1 teaspoon of coffee in my pan. I've got ground ginger, and I'm going to be very careful with this, and I'm literally going to put about 1/5 of a teaspoon on of all the spices. So 1/5 teaspoon of ground ginger. I do like cinnamon, so I'm going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. So I do like that heat, more so than the ground ginger. And then the same of nutmeg, and that's strong as well, so I'll go for 1/5 of a teaspoon of the nutmeg. And what I'm going to do is put a tiny little bit of the milk in a pan and put it on the hob and warm those spices up first and mix them all in. Right friends, so I'm just warming these up over the heat just to gently cook and release all the flavours so it doesn't taste powdery later. And then now is the time to put your sugar in if you want sugar, and basically put the sugar in to taste, however much you would put in a cup of coffee. Warm it up and then add the rest of your milk to it after about a minute or so. And this really makes a lovely drink. Pumpkin spice as well can actually be used all through winter, can't it? It's just a really lovely autumnal drink and winter drink, a nice warming flavours with the cinnamon and the ground ginger and the nutmeg. It's a real nice treat, very seasonal. Goes great with gingerbread at Christmas, of course. But I tend to just have a bit of gingerbread crumbled up right now. Why not? I know the Americans do put pumpkin puree in as well. It's up to you. You can buy tins of pumpkin puree if you want to put a bit of pumpkin puree in, but I find these flavours are really lovely with a little bit of coffee in as well. When it says pumpkin spice, it's generally what the spices that they put in their pumpkin pie, not necessarily pumpkin extract, but entirely up to you if you want to put some pumpkin in. Alright, so there we go. Put all the rest of the milk in and continue stirring. So it's a lovely, let me show you if I can, kind of creamy, very milky latte coffee looking colour. I'm going to warm that up and then we're going to pour it in our latte glass. It's simple as that. It takes a few minutes to do, and I'll show you shortly when we're pouring it in. Right friends, so we're ready to dish it up now. So we've got our latte in our latte cup, pumpkin spice, and then we need to just shake up the cream. Just slightly shake a little bit of the nutmeg on top and the cinnamon. You could grate some chocolate on that as well, guys. And that is a simple gingerbread pumpkin spice latte. I hope you enjoy. So there's our pumpkin spice latte on the actual dresser. If you didn't see this video, I'll leave a link to this video, which is decorating with me for autumn, and hopefully you'll try this pumpkin spice. It really is as good as a shop bought and costs probably 1/5 of the price. Enjoy guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, bye.